All right, so there's something that you hopefully know by now about this one, which is that you can't just square the first term and square the last term and call it good. There's actually uh, outer and inner terms that if you expanded it and foiled it, that you would get. So let's expand it. Okay? So then when you foil it, first times first, outer times outer, inner times inner, and last times last. Let's examine what we've got. This is going to be the case whenever you square something, square a binomial like this, which is this. You've got the first term squared here. You've got the last term squared here. And remember, negative times negative is positive. That's why it's positive. And then you've got the two terms multiplied together. These two multiplied together, negative 12x. You've got that there, and you've got it there again. We're going to get the same thing twice. Okay? It's always going to be the case. So, short answer, what we've got as a result is 4x squared minus 24x plus 36. But the result is you've got the first term squared for the front, the last term squared for the back, and then the two terms multiplied together and doubled for the middle term. So you could expand it out and just do it like regular FOIL method, which, by the way, which answer is that? That is answer A, which I've not left a lot of room for you to see. So let's erase that so that we've got that spot in there and mark it as answer A. But we can save ourselves a lot of time by simply doing what I just indicated is the rule. Okay, let's do that. Let's square the first term for number 31. 7m times 7m is 49m squared. For the middle term, we're going to multiply 7m times positive 5, the two terms. 7m times positive 5 is 35m. And we're going to double it to 70m for the middle. And then finally, for the final term, we will square 5 and 5 and get 25. Okay, so quick rule there. That squared goes here, that squared goes here, and these two multiplied together and then doubled goes there. And that's what we get. So what is our answer? 49m squared plus 70m plus 25, and that is B. So let's get those out of there and mark our answer as B.